Bryophyllum Pinnatum, more commonly known as the leaf of life, is a succulent plant that is native to Madagascar but is grown in most tropical areas. It has antibacterial, antiviral, antimicrobial, antifungal, and antihistamine properties. It has become a popular houseplant and is widely used as a herbal remedy to treat numerous health conditions. In today's video, I'll go through 7 incredible health benefits of Bryophyllum Pinnatum and some easy steps to prepare the tea. Stay tuned until the end and you will see why this is a must-have plant in your home. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to achieve an optimal state of health within your mind and body with a little help from Mother Nature, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. 1. It treats kidney stones and urinary disorders. One study observed that taking the herb extract reduced the risk of developing kidney stones. It also demonstrated the ability to clear urine of oxalate that causes the formation of kidney stones. It is recommended to take 5 ml of the leaf juice for those suffering from a urinary disorder twice daily. Men with a urine-related disorder may take higher doses. Some take the extract with shilajit for enhanced results. Make sure to consult with your healthcare practitioner to get a personalized treatment. 2. It is used for boils and wounds. The leaves are often crushed and applied topically as a remedy for swelling, itching, and healing of skin conditions, ranging from bites and boils to bruises and skin ulcers. The back of the leaf is often placed on open sores and cuts to stop bleeding. They can also prevent infections and relieve pain. 3. It reduces insomnia. Recent studies show that pregnant women could benefit from using the leaf of life. A study conducted on pregnant women taking 350 mg tablets of the plant extract exhibited a calming effect. At the end of the study, the participants experienced fewer wake-ups and an improved quality of sleep. No adverse effects were reported on either the mother or fetus. Another study conducted on cancer patients suffering from sleep problems examined the effects of Bryophyllum Pinnatum on their sleep quality. It was observed that the sleep quality has significantly improved under the treatment with the herb and that this medication was well tolerated. No serious adverse effects occurred during treatment. 4. It has intestinal cleansing properties. When consumed as a tea, the antibacterial properties in the leaf of life can inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the intestinal tract. The stem and leaves can both be steeped in water and consumed daily to boost the immune system. It has a cleansing effect in the body, aiding the elimination of waste and toxins. 5. Diabetes management. Results of a preliminary study showed that the plant extract lowered blood sugar levels along with triglycerides. In one animal study, the high blood sugar level was reduced to normal after treating for 120 minutes. Observations at 30-minute time intervals between 0 and 120 minutes showed that a concentration of 200 mg per kilo resulted in a significant drop in blood sugar levels when compared with other dosages. In addition, when a combination of glibenclamide and water extract was administered on diabetic rats, higher performance was observed in comparison to the water extract alone at the same time interval. 6. It relieves respiratory conditions. Bryophyllum Pinnatum relieves shortness of breath associated with asthma and bronchitis. It is also beneficial for addressing coughs and the tightness that accompanies chest colds. A 21-day study demonstrated that daily doses of 200 and 400 mg per kilo significantly increased the time for guinea pigs to experience proconvulsive dyspnea. Both doses were also found to significantly lessen the bouts of cough, as well as reducing mucus viscosity. 7. It's a potent analgesic. The plant has been traditionally used to lessen menstrual pain, stop excessive bleeding, and even reduce postpartum abdominal pain. The results in one study confirmed the popular use of this herb for pain relief. It revealed potent analgesic activity with about 80% of pain inhibition at the highest dose of 300 mg per kilo and 60% inhibition at the lower dose of 100 mg. The efficacy of the plant was demonstrated in all models used, where the analgesic effect reached its peak at 90 minutes post-administration. How to prepare the tea. This herb is usually consumed as a tea, but it can also be blended into juices or eaten raw. To prepare the tea, simply add 3 leaves to a cup of boiling water and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Remove from heat and allow it to brew for 2 to 3 minutes, then remove the leaves. You can sweeten your tea with 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey if you prefer. Are you a health nut? Join the Health Nut Hour today, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, and I'll keep you updated on future videos. See you in the next one.